Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to transfer money to someone using the Barclays. First, open your Barclays app on your phone. Enter your login details. Once you are logged in, you will see your account overview screen. Next, look for the option that says Pay and Transfer. Tap on it to continue. This section allows you to move money between your accounts or send money to other people. Now select the option that says Pay a recent or new payee. If you have sent money to this person before, you can choose them from the recent list. If this is a new person, tap on the option to add a new payee. You will now need to enter the recipient's details. After that, enter the amount of money you want to send. You will also see a field for a reference. This is a short note that helps the recipient understand what the payment is for. It can be something simple like rent or gift. Finally, review all the details on the screen. If everything looks correct, confirm the payment. You may be asked to enter your app PIN or passcode to complete the transaction. The payment will now be processed. Thanks for watching.